Hi, this is Anu and welcome back to my channel. I am so glad you joined me today. Today is a little bit of a different video. It is a yarn favorite, fall yarn favorite to be precise. And next week will be a tutorial again. So if you are interested in knowing what are my favorite yarns I am working this fall with, then keep on watching. Okay, so there are so many beautiful yarns on the market. It was really hard for me to choose, but I narrowed it down to, how many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To 8 different yarns that I absolutely fell in love for all kind of reasons. Maybe the color scheme, maybe the texture, and I will take you through them and explain to you why I chose them. So without further ado, let's begin with the first one. And the first one is from my favorite brand, not sponsored as usual. I have to remind this. I bought all the yarn with my own money. I'm just sharing this with you because I love it and for the fun of sharing it with you. That is it. And of course, we all have different tastes and different needs with yarn, but those are my personal needs and I am sharing them with you. And I love to do that. So the first one is from the Lion brand, as I said. Love this brand so much. And it's called Landscapes. That's the kind of yarn. And I really like this color, which is Desert Spring. It is super, super pretty. It has, of course, all kind of fall colors because I am gravitating towards those colors this fall. And they're kind of neutral and soft and vibrant. And it's really, really soft. It's 100% acrylic. So this beautiful yarn is 3.5 ounces, 100 gram per skein, 147 yard long, 134 meter long. It's a number 4 yarn. The color is Desert Spring. I absolutely love this yarn. 100% acrylic. The Lion brand Landscape is made in Turkey. So this, I am going to use it in a scarf tutorial that I'm going to share with you really soon, so you can begin to create your scarves for Christmas presents and Hanukkah presents. I'm going to show you next time or the time before, I don't know, but very soon, a super, super easy way of creating 2 different looking scarves with very simple stitches. And I'm going to use this yarn because it is totally, totally gorgeous. So that's my number 1. And I will put the price somewhere here on the screen so you know how much one skein costs. The second yarn, you know, from my crochet leaf sweater. I will post a link and post a picture of the sweater that we created together a few weeks ago. And that is from the brand Malabrigo, and the kind of yarn is called Rios, R-I-O-S, and the color that I chose is Vulcan 227. The content of this is pure merino superwash wool, and it's 210 yards, 100 grams, and it is made in Peru. This is more on the expensive side because it's a merino wool yarn, and merino wool is more expensive than acrylic, but I fell totally in love with the softness of it and of course the color, which really, really talked to me and reminded me so much of my pumpkin spice latte. So yeah, thumbs up for this one. The third one that I really, really like, and I haven't done anything yet with it, but I'm so looking forward to, if you have any idea what you would like me to make with this, it is kind of a velvet feeling yarn. It's Bernat Stitch and Win, the blanket kind, double take. And this color too, it's white cream and gray. Oh, it is so, so gorgeous. So I think I'm going to show you how to create a really nice, simple winter blanket that you will also be able to crochet and gift for the holidays. I think that would be really, really nice. I can even see myself making a really chunky sweater with that. So either a blanket or a sweater. Let me know what you would rather, a blanket or a sweater with this. So the color is Cozy Gray. It's 100% polyester, so totally synthetic fiber. It is a super bulky number 6, and you have 10.5 ounces, 300 gram per skein, which is 220 yards, 201 meter. And as I said, it's your inspiration, Bernat Blanket, double take, Stitch and Win. Love it, and so soft, and it's probably machine washable, so win-win-win. I love everything about this yarn, and it is probably also washable, machine washable. And then of course, don't dry ever whatever you crochet in your washer, just lay it flat. But yeah, looking forward to crochet with this, because we are going to use a really big crochet hook to crochet with that. Any project you undertake is going to be super fast, so perfect for creating gifts. Number 4, I used it in my poncho. I'm going to put a picture here and the link to the tutorial right there too, and it is the Yarnspirations Caron Big Cake, and the color that we used was Toffee Brickle, and it is a medium blend for 100% acrylic again. It has 10.5 ounces, 300 grams, so the same as the thick one that we had from Bernat. It has 603 yards, that's way more, 551 meter in one beautiful cake, and the colors are so vibrant. I mean, how can you not like this? It's perfect fall scheme with a little bit of touch of like bright blue, and it's really soft. It's totally acrylic, so very easy to manage. You can put it in the washer too, and you could create so many things. I decided to create a poncho, but you create scarves, blankets, same. Amazing, versatile, and not too expensive yarn as well. Next one is from the brand Lion brand again, and it's the one that I used to create my beautiful dress, fall winter dress with the flowing leaves. Here is a picture and here is the link, and it is the jeans yarn, and the color I used for my tutorial is again a very fall color. You can see a theme here, can't you? Top stitch is the color, 100% acrylic, a medium number 4 yarn, 3.5 ounces per skein, which is 100 gram, 246 yards, and 225 meter. So yeah, so again, I like it because of the size too. It's not too thick, it's not too thin. It's perfect to create garments, may it be dress, may it be things for, it's really soft too. It's really hard to believe that it's only acrylic, because it has the feel of wool and soft cotton or bamboo or something really nice. I love the feeling of this yarn, and that is perfect for sweaters, also blankets, but thinner blankets, shawls also. It's the perfect yarn for the fall, and I cannot stop crocheting with it. Actually, I made a few different things with it. The next one is one that I haven't decided what I want to create with, but totally fell in love with. It's from the brand Premier Yarns, wool-free lace. It's 88% acrylic, 5% metallic, and 7% PBT. I have to look what PBT is, and once I find out, I will put it right there in the info below. It's a super fine yarn. So it is number 1, super fine. It is perfect for lace work or very thin garments, or a really nice shawl for the evening. It has some sparkle in it, so I think it would be perfect for the holidays. 448 yards, 410 meters. The net weight for one skein is again 3.5 ounces. And that's 100 grams. What I love about this yarn is the sparkle in it. It's so nice for the holidays. I was attracted to this gold, gray, caramel, and beige color. I will try to put a picture of the other colors that exist right there. But yeah, it is so thin, so perfect for a lacy scarf or a lacy top to put over a very nice evening gown. So I am very inspired by this yarn. The next one is I'm already working on a beautiful cardigan for you guys in this beautiful yarn. It is from Stitch Studio by Nicole, and the kind of yarn is called Paz, P-A-Z, and the color that I am using is Mauve in French, Mauve in English, I think. It's a super bulky yarn. It has 93% of acrylic and 7% of polyester. It is 260 yards, 238 meters, and the weight is 280 grams, 9.8 ounces. So pretty hefty ball of yarn. It is so soft and beautiful. It's pink, kind of old rose pink, and then it has a little string that goes through all the yarn that is a little lighter rose pink. So dark mauve with a little dusty rose thread going through it, and it's beautiful. So as I said, I'm working right now on a very easy, super beautiful cardigan with a hoodie. And so you will be hearing about this yarn more in the next future. And then the last one I haven't done anything with, but I think it will be perfect for the holiday season again. It is the brand's Loops and Threads Sparkle Luxe yarn, 290 yards, 7 ounces, 200 meters, 200 grams, and it's 70% polyester, 18% acrylic, and 12% metallic. So it's a beautiful sparkly blue. So it's a powder blue, but not baby blue, kind of in between a powder blue and a jeans blue, very light. And then it has a string of metallic silver going through it, and it's beautiful. This is the least soft of the bunch. It's still soft. I mean, I could definitely wear it around my neck. I'm super sensitive, but out of all the yarns that I presented to you, I think this one is the least soft, but there's so many nice sparkly colors that I am looking forward to use for the holiday season. And that is it, my 8 favorite yarn for the fall. I hope you have enjoyed me sharing it with you. I will put all the links to the yarns in the info box down below. If you are not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? It's totally free. Click on the subscribe button right there and come and join the family. Hit the little bell so you are notified every time I post something new. Come and see me again next time for a tutorial this time, and then come and check me out on my social media right there. I would love to spend more time with you there. And that's it. In the meantime, happy crochet. See you next time for a tutorial. Happy crochet. Bye. Of my pumpkin spice, of my and oh, I messed up my hair. I'm weird. And subscribe to me. What do you think about my sweater? I love it so much. Bonjour, witches. Mwah.